The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to science class. I hope you all are doing well, isn't it? So you have to take care of your health, drink plenty of water, eat vegetables. Okay, so then only we will protect against this type of diseases which is going on now. So okay children, let's start our today's session. So last class we were discussing about the nature's kitchen. In that we have gone through the functions of leaf. In that we have seen the parts of the leaf and photosynthesis and a pigment called chlorophyll which is giving green color to the leaf. So now let's discuss some more activities. So in that activity 8.4, observe figure 4, tick the functions that occur in a plant during day and night. So what are the functions which is carrying out during the daytime and night time, that we will see by observing this figure. So in this figure you can see one side is with sunlight and other is the night time. Sunlight region you can tick photosynthesis and respiration is taking place. So the photosynthesis will be take place only in the presence of sunlight, that we already studied. In the night time photosynthesis is not taking place, only respiration is taking place over there. So you have to tick respiration. Okay. Is there a difference between the functions that occur during the day and those occur during the night? So you have to tick yes. If yes, why? So you have to write photosynthesis requires the presence of sunlight and hence it happens only during the day. Respiration happens at all times. Next activity, that is 8.5. In the space provided, describe the process of photosynthesis as a recipe to prepare glucose. You may choose one of the following options to present your recipe. So here comic strip, poem, story, poster. So this you do as a fun activity and do it as home fun. Okay children. So likewise in companion, did you know that some plants trap and feed on insects for nutrition? Research about a few of these plants. You might have noticed some plants are trapping insects for their nutrition. So you have to do this as fun activity in your companion, that is 8A activity. Okay. Now we will see an audio visual. In that we can see what happened to a plant without sunlight.
Hi Peaches, isn't it a beautiful sunny morning? If you say so, Petal. I think it's just too hot. Come on Peaches, let's soak up the sun. It's so wonderful and warm. You do it, Petal. I'm going to sit inside that shed for a while. I need shade. But Peaches, you need the sun. Oh, don't bother me. Ah, this is much better. Nice and cool and dark. Yoo-hoo, Peaches! Time to come out of the shed. Oh, go away, Petal. I don't have any energy. Peaches needs to be out in the sun or she's going to get sick. Oh, Peaches, you look terrible. Let me help. Peaches, do you know why you're so tired and droopy? Why? When you were in that shed, you didn't get enough of the three main things we need to live. Sunlight, water, and soil. But why do we need all that? To make food for ourselves, of course. We can make food? Yes, through a process called photosynthesis. Let me explain. Our roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. This travels to the stem and to the other parts. Carbon dioxide is a gas found in the air. This enters through the stomata on the leaves. Our leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. This helps us to absorb sunlight and to store its energy. So, we use water and the carbon dioxide to make food with the help of energy from the sun. We use this food to grow and make seeds. Wow! So I can make my own food too. You can if you get plenty of sun, soil and water. Done! I'm going to soak up the sun from now on.
Can you plant this little seed in the hole? Use your mouse to drag the seed here. The little seed is cold. Click on the sun to make it shine. The seed is thirsty. Click your mouse on the can to water the seed.
With soil, sunlight, water and air, the plant is ready to grow and produce its own food through photosynthesis.
Activity 8.6, you can put a cross mark, you have to omit that activity. Okay, now we'll do activity 8.7. Haima is making a poster on the importance of leaves. Use the pictures as clues to help her complete the poster. Okay, here some posters we can see. The silent night, leaves are important because. Why leaves are important? So here we can see a photosynthesis picture, isn't it? So here presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, oxygen and chlorophyll. So you can see photosynthesis here. So down you have to write they make food for the plants. Yes, during photosynthesis what is happening? The leaves are preparing food for the plant. So you have to write there. Next, here you can see some animals. So and with that plants also you can see. So these plants are providing food for many animals. Okay. So you have to write they provide food for many animals. Next, breathe in, breathe out. So she is doing exercise. So they give out oxygen that we breathe in. So these plants are giving out oxygen and we are breathing oxygen in. So you have to write there. So thank you leaves for all that you do. So because of the presence of these plants we can do all this activity for our survival, isn't it? So living beings, even if it is plants, animals or human beings, they are interdependent upon each other. So without plants we can't survive and without human they can't survive likewise. So we living things all are interdependent upon each other. Okay children. In companion 8b, one more activity is there. Find out if plants can make food without sunlight. So how to find out if any plant can make food without sunlight and do it as an home fun activity in your companion. So the leaves of a plant help it prepare its own food through the process of photosynthesis. So the process of photosynthesis, the leaves are preparing food for the plant. The food that the leaves make is stored in different parts of the plant, which is also consumed by other living things. So these foods are preparing by the leaves and it is storing in different parts of the plant, and whenever it is needed they can make it use of it. And likewise, one more process is that these stored food are eaten by the other animals or human beings, and they will get energy from that. Okay, clear? The oxygen that is given out during photosynthesis is also used by other living things for respiration. So this during this photosynthesis, oxygen is given out, is used by living things for respiration. I hope you are clear about this concept well. So now you can name the parts of a leaf of a plant. So what are the parts of the leaf? So the parts of a plant are leaf blade, vein, midrib, leaf stalk, etc. Next, describe the functions of the leaves of a plant. So with the help of the leaf, the plant is making its food. That's why the leaves are also known as the kitchen of the plant. Explain the importance of the leaves of a plant. Okay, so now we will do complete the concept map. First picture, sunlight. You can write sunlight over there, and carbon dioxide, oxygen, water, then leaf stalk, midrib, leaf blade, that is lamina, and veins. So during the process of dash, leaves take in carbon dioxide, water, nutrients, and dash to make dash and give out oxygen. So you can write during the process of photosynthesis. So during the process of photosynthesis, leaves take in carbon dioxide, water, nutrients, and dash. There you have to write sunlight to make glucose or starch and give out oxygen. I hope you are clear about this concept well. So now let's do the glossary. Let's have a review of this lesson, that is glossary. In that, glucose, that is the food prepared as a result of photosynthesis, glucose we are getting. Next, lamina, that is the surface of the leaf we call as lamina. Leaf stalk, a thin slender structure that attaches the leaf to the stem. Midrib, the central vein of a leaf from which other veins arise. Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Yes, the process by which the green leaves use carbon dioxide, water, nutrients, and sunlight to make food. Starch. Excess food stored in various parts of the plant is known as starch. Stomata, that is a small pore which is seen on the leaves and through which the air is taken in and given out during the process of respiration and photosynthesis. So stomata is an important part. Okay. During that pores, the air is passing in and out. Next is veins, tube-like structures that run through the leaf through which water and other nutrients are sent to all parts of the leaf. That's all for today. So by this we are concluding this chapter. I hope that you have understood the functions of leaf well. By this I am concluding. Thank you. Bye bye and take care. Okay children.